how to delete TikTok live event. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete TikTok live event. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application TikTok with your account. Alright, so after you open the TikTok with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the profile section, you'll be able to see the options like calendar icon. So simply you have to go that option. Alright, so after tap on that option, you'll be able to see live events calendar on your TikTok account. So from there, you'll have to select the upcoming event for your live stream. So after select the upcoming or live event, from there you'll have to just tap on the three dots just at the right hand section of that live event. So from there, after tap on that option, you'll be able to find the option delete. So simply you'll have to go that option, and after tap on that option, you'll be able to delete TikTok live event from your account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.